Hi, I'm Dr. Dustin Rising with Gallatin Chiropractic, and I would like to personally welcome you to our clinic. Our goal is to get you doing as well as we can, as quick as we can, so that you can get back to your day-to-day activities.
My hip feels better. I can snowboard, I can wakeboard, I can walk, I can play sports, and not wonder if this is the next sport that's going to cause me pain.
I think what's really unique is that we have 3 different doctors here, so we really have a great approach that we can focus in on what someone's needs are and find the best provider for them. Whether it's a personality thing, whether it's a condition that if one of us is better geared towards that, we can kind of share all of our talents and work together to get the best treatment plan for the patient.
We also like to give at-home care, exercises, stretches, advice on icing and heating, so that you can get better not only when you're in the office.
Gallatin Valley Chiropractic cares about their customer. He doesn't want me to just keep coming back. He wants to actually fix my problem, and he cares for my well-being. And you can tell that not only in what he does for you, but in the care that he gives you.
What keeps me practicing passionately as a chiropractor are those people with a function-based goal that need to get back to an activity that they are missing in their lives because of their pain. Come on into Gallatin Valley Chiropractic and let us help you get back to the things that you care most about.